Worried about the privacy of your Messenger account on your Android phone? If you want to stay updated on any unauthorized logins, this video is just for you. I'll walk you through 2 easy methods to check if someone has logged into your Messenger account. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Check for logins through Messenger. Open Messenger app. Tap the 3-line icon in the bottom corner. Now tap the settings. Scroll down. Tap on privacy and safety. In here, look for end-to-end encrypted chats. Open it. Now select security alerts. Expand this view all logins option. And as you can see, Messenger is showing you all the devices that have logged into your account. Look for any unrecognized device here. Now tap on any one of them. You will see all the login information about this device here. Expand this panel. If you find this device suspicious, you can simply log them out. Method 2. Check logins for other devices. Open Messenger again. Tap the 3-line icon on the corner. Now tap the settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Now tap on Meta Account Center. Tap on Password and Security. Now select where you're logged in. Tap on the Facebook account of your Messenger. Here you will see logins on other devices. You can select any device you want to log out. And that's a wrap. You've just learned 2 of the best ways to check if someone's logged into your Messenger account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next one.